Okay guys, welcome back to more of unboxing cum review. This is Trouble PEDS and you are going to see some simple unboxing of Cosmo 7.1, that is of Redgear. Here it is, the Redgear. So this is basically a gaming headset. It's with the 7.1 virtual surround sound system. It's a full size over the ear headset. You can see it, basically it's over the ear. It has noise cancellation microphone. The basic thing of this thing is the 7.1 surround sound system. It's really cool. I've tried it once, so let's just see what's inside the box here. Okay, so one more cool thing this thing has, I've noticed right now, so it's a programmable software. You can download it from the Redgear side. There's nothing else inside. Okay, so let me check. Here it is. So it's pretty much big. Hang on, let me tear this thing. Yeah, there we go. Okay, there it is. There's a nice logo here, the Redgear thing. You can see. Okay, so now this thing is totally flexible. You can adjust it however the way you want. This thing is kind of flexible. You can adjust according to your head size and all that stuff. It's quite flexible. There's a logo on both the sides. This microphone, it's adjustable as well. Now it's an RGB. It gives you the light whenever you plug it into your system. So this thing will basically glow in red, green, and the microphone is also a glowing one, but it just glows in blue light. The wire is kind of cool. It's perfect for gaming thing. It's for a rough use. You cannot just literally hope to break it. It's a USB. Now this thing is USB, so you cannot really connect it to any cell phone, and do not even attempt to connect it via any OTG, because the drivers of this thing is really very high, so your phone might not support. Now let me show you basic way how it glows. There we go. That's the coloring. I don't know if people can see this. Here we go. That's the glowing microphone, and that's the RGB thing. So this was a simple review of Redgear. The experience might be good, but you can try it whenever you will buy it. Now this thing, hang on, disconnect it again. So it has controllable buttons. You can just close the mic, switch it off whenever you want. There's a volume control buttons, and this is a light. You can switch it off, switch it on, however you want. There it is. So that's how it is. So this is a basic review. Now the experience, I cannot tell you how it feels. For that, you gotta have to buy this thing. It's for 1900 on Amazon, 1900 rupees, that is, with GST. I hope it is with GST. So that's how it is. The Redgear headphone. It's over the ear headphone, and it's basically cool looking and all that stuff. So that's a simple review of Redgear headset. Thank you guys for watching this video. Tune in for more unboxing and other videos. Thank you.